This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Kandi Karban. Welcome to your own private country estate. 52 plus acres total of improved pasture as far as the eyes can see. This comfortable 3/2 ranch-style home is loaded with agricultural amenities including a 3-car garage workshop, 50 by 46 pole barn which has steel trusses virtually hurricane-proof and a 36 by 30 equipment barn with a deep well. The 3-car garage could be used as a mother-in-law suite too. The home sits on 10 acres with a 16 by 14 screen porch and newer metal roof. There is an adjacent parcel folio 088-191-0200 included and comprises an additional 42 acres of pasture field with Pangola grass yielding 300 to 400 bales of hay. There is a pond on this additional parcel folio which is stocked with massive basin catfish. Deer, quail and rabbit sightings are a common sight on this property. Cross-fencing allows for grazing cattle. Income opportunities are abound with the sod value alone. The home on the property has an amazing fireplace. The owners built the home and spared no expense. All trusses are not load-bearing. The home is extremely well insulated. The newer carpet has high-density anti-allergic padding. There is a newer metal roof installed to perfection. The home has fiber optics, so you'll never drop calls in your serene private country estate just 15 minutes outside of Brandon or Plant City. Measurements are approximate, buyer to verify. For more information, review the details below.